Want to upload and share files quickly on Google Drive? In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Once you're logged in, click on the New button on the left side of your screen. From the menu, simply choose File Upload to upload a single file, or Folder Upload to upload an entire folder. Simply select the file you want to upload from your computer, then click Open. Your file will start uploading immediately. Once the upload is complete, your file will appear in the My Drive section of Google Drive. Now, to share your file, right-click on it and select Share from the menu. Next, click Share again. Under the General Access section, you'll see two options. Restricted means only people you add can access the file. Anyone with the link allows anyone who has the link to access the file. You can also adjust the permissions by selecting whether people can view, comment, or edit the file. Once you're happy with the settings, click Copy Link to save the link to your clipboard, or simply type the email address here and send it directly. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and shared your file. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.